Hello everyone, it's Gagan. Welcome to my channel. Now I am going to draw and color some yummy fruits. First of all, I'm going to draw an apple. Let's draw this apple with me. Now we fill colors in it. Brown. This is color brown. Green. This is green color. And now we fill red color in the apple. Red. This is the color red. I'm going to draw a mango. Let's draw this mango with me. Mango.
The bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Now we fill colors in it. We fill green color in its leaf.
The hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6.
Yellow. We fill yellow color in the mango. Yellow. This is a pear. A pear. Let's draw this pear with me.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall.
We fill green color in its leaf.
Couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men.
Now we will draw a strawberry. This is a strawberry. Let's draw the strawberry with me. Strawberry. We fill red color in it. Red in the strawberry.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
yellow color in the banana. Yellow in banana.
If that billy goat won't pull, Mama's gonna buy you a cart and bull. And if that cart and bull turns over, Mama's gonna buy you a dog named Rover.
These are grapes. Let's draw these grapes with me. Grapes